gotta go.
What in the woolly? After that hare!
Wait, what?
I think Snowball might be the camper we've been looking for.
Snowball? But his fur's the wrong color.
Not all of it. He's got a brown spot on his back.
We're not the only ones after him. Better hurry. Snowball, stay off the ice!
What? Oh, no!
Cluebot, go!
Whoa! Thanks for the lift.
Snowball, you're the missing camper we've been looking for.
I am? But weren't you looking for someone with brown fur? Wait, my fur changes to brown for half the year. Oh, how did I forget that?
Your fur changes color.
Uh-huh. When the temperature changes, it causes some animals to change the color of their fur, like weasels, caribou,
And snowshoe hares, so they can blend in with the tundra in the winter and the forest in the spring.
Oh, wow! Is it spring already? I was wondering why I was so warm.
And look, the warmer temperature has made you even more brown.
Uh-oh, that wolf is still after me. How will I blend into the snow like this?
Let's head back to the snowshoe hares camp.
It's too far. We won't make it.
Maybe we don't have to go all the way back. Come on. Now to find the right spot. There! Half brown, half white, just like your fur.
Perfect!
That wolf will never see you now. Snowball, other way.
Huh? Whoopsie.
Here he comes. Snowball, hold still.
You two seen a rabbit?
Nope, no rabbits here.
Are you sure you haven't seen a rabbit?
Uh-huh.
We're sure.
Phew!
No rabbits here, just a perfectly camouflaged snowshoe hare. Nice job, Snowball.
Thanks for your help, agents!
Come on, time to get you back to camp.